In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to influence the voters in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Influencing the voters is the second step when you go over to the voting president event. So, in order for you to get the influence and win the event, all that you have to do is grab the person who is close to your voting booth with your tongue. So on a PlayStation controller, tap the square button, or on an Xbox controller, press X. Once you have licked someone with your tongue, all that you have to do is drag them to the blue voting booth on the left side. Once you place them inside of the voting booth, they will vote for you, and you can actually see the amount of votes go up for you. You can repeat this process with as many people as you find, and some people claim that you can even repeat this with the same person that you brought over. Once you do this around 8 times, you will win the election. So all that you have to do is either grab 8 individual people and drag them into the voting booth, or try repeating the vote with the same person. You will be able to keep track of your progress by looking over at the screen, where you will be able to see the progress bar fill out, and you will win the election. So this is all you have to do to win the Run for President event goal in Goat Simulator 3. Make sure that you bring them all over to your voting booth and you will be able to win. You can try bringing them over to the other booth for the fun of it, but I believe that nothing is going to happen. So make sure that you bring them to yours and you will be able to influence the voters to win in Goat Simulator 3. This is going to work for all platforms, and you just have to bring enough people for your progress bar to fill out before the other opponent one does. And you will win the event in Goat Simulator 3 to influence the voters in the Run for President event. I hope I was able to help you on how to influence the voters in Goat Simulator 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.